Sea stars are found on throw pillows, pastel shirts, and in oceans around the world. But they are so much more than just star-shaped animals. Sea stars are a diverse group of echinoderms. Echino meaning spiny, and derm meaning skin. They're part of the animal kingdom, closely related to sea urchins and cucumbers. While sea stars come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, they're split into two main classes, Ophiuroidea and Asteroidea. Ophiuroidea contain brittle stars with their long 5 arms, and basket stars, multi-armed creatures that catch passing prey in a mess of contracting branches. Asteroidea is a class of what look like classic sea stars whose ancestors date back 450 million years. Today there are over 1,500 sea star species, dozens of which can be found in BC's coastal waters. BC's sea stars are hugely diverse, from the ubiquitous purple and orange ochre sea star to the long-armed rainbow star. But don't let their innocent name fool you. Rainbow stars are large, predatory stars. They can grow up to be 50 centimeters across, wider than a basketball hoop. Rainbows have an appetite for invertebrates like bivalves, chitons, snails, and barnacles. But one of their favorite meals are clams, which rainbows dig up and force apart with their suction cup feet. The classic image of a sea star is one with 5 arms. But rules are meant to be broken, and BC's rose, sunflower, sun, and striped sea stars all have more than 5 arms. And some of these stars are fast, at least by sea star standards. The sunflower star has been clocked at a blistering 0.126 kilometers an hour. That's over 2.5 times faster than your average garden snail. Okay, so no Usain Bolts here. But what if you're a slow star? This star has a very different type of defense mechanism. When intact, the aptly named slime star emits a giant ball of snot-like mucus to smother their attackers. This mucus is toxic and can even kill other invertebrates if they're unfortunate enough to be caught in the slimy mess. Even though marine biologists and community scientists around the world have identified thousands of star species, there's still a lot left to learn about these aquatic wonders. This is a blood star, another species indigenous to BC's waters. This is also a blood star, and so is this. In fact, all of these stars are blood stars, but they aren't all from the same species. Within blood stars are so-called cryptic species, hidden diversity that only becomes apparent when we look at a star's DNA. Because different species look so similar, experts need to analyze their genetics to differentiate one species from another. So how many different blood star species are there here? So far, DNA analysis has revealed 8 different species, many of which don't even yet have scientific names. But scientists are still analyzing the data. There may be even more species yet unrecognized by science. So just how many sea star species live in British Columbia? We're still working to find out.